Hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to return one single item from your whole order on TEMU. So let's say you just ordered a t-shirt and you only want to send that one back. Now I'm going to show you this with a notebook. Now the first step is of course opening up your computer and head down to temu.com. So simply open up TEMU. Go to the TEMU website and from here sign in to your existing account. Now from there we go to the top right corner where our orders and accounts appear, and from there we scroll all the way down till you find the order where you have the single item that you want to return. Now for me it's this book. Now simply press return and refund. Now have you received the package? Say yes, and from there you get in this window. Now here we have a load of options to choose from, and let's say I only want to return this booklet that I just ordered. I simply select this option, and from there let's make it a little bit bigger. Here select the reason why you want to return it. Now let's say it's an inaccurate website description and you thought it was different. Simply upload a photo or video if that's necessary. It's not always necessary. And from here use a comment. Let's say it's way too small, for example. Now from there we scroll all the way down and here you see the next step. Now press next step. As you can see here, confirm the return information. Please confirm that each reason has a corresponding item. So that's very important. And you're only eligible to one free return of the order. So if you place one order, a separate order, you can only do one refund or return per order. So one item, one pair of shoes, or different items in one return or one refund. This is very important. Now from there we press next, and here we offer you a one-time opportunity to get a refund with no return needed. Now here you can simply press receive in seconds, or you can ship it back to your original payment method. And what you can do after that is submit the request, and your refunded amount will be paid out, or you get a different option for TEMU. Now it's a very easy process. If you still get any other questions, leave them in the comments down below. I would highly appreciate it if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.